So I'd like to introduce our first machine from Fyous, which is the PF-01 PolyMorphic forming machine. Now this machine is designed to concept things, prototype ideas with your first reconfigurable tooling system. Now the way it works is you generate your 3D file as you would do on SolidWorks or Rhino, and then you put it through our Pinpoint software. This is our proprietary software that takes that 3D file, turns it into machine code that the polymorphic machine can understand to generate your reconfigurable mold. Now, once you've got that file, you just put it on the USB stick, put it in the machine, like so, and then you can browse through your files. I'm going to pick one here that we made earlier, Fyous logo, and then turn the interlock on, and then you just press start. Now once it's finished, which takes around 20 minutes, you can just turn the interlock off, push back the gantry, and you've got your mold. Now this is our 28K version, there's 28,000 pins in this one. And then you just take your tool holder, lock it in place, and then you can take your polymorphic mold out and use it for vacuum forming, maybe fixturing, clamping, try a few ideas out, put it back in the machine and go again. It's zero waste and it only takes a few minutes.